Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mark Griffin. I'm a wakeboarder, a dad, and an extreme sports junkie. And today, I'm gonna try a backflip. So I just turned 40, and to celebrate this milestone, I've decided to come up with a series of challenges. Number one on this list, perform a standing backflip on the ground. Now that means not on a trampoline, not into a swimming pool, straight on the ground, boom. Throw a backflip, crowd goes wild. The whole works. So that's it. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Yeah, here we go. Ollie. You excited? You look excited. You think I can do it? Yeah, I don't know. He doesn't look too impressed. Ollie, you're not helping. I'm not sure if I can finish this backflip challenge in a day. I'm already getting used to that muscle memory of the little handspring thing. So let's go for it, and hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, it all goes well, and we can move on to the next stage of this trick.
Fatality.
Ow. Okay, that hurt a bit. Hey, good morning. So, yeah, day 2 of this challenge. I had a look at the footage, and I think my technique really needs to be cleaned up. So, yeah. Let's get on the way.
I know you're a little bit mistake. So when you jump up, you try to focus with your head. Don't focus with your head. Focus with your thigh, like this. Don't focus with your head. Try. Yeah. Whoa. Same point.
Yeah. I'm here in Bounce. It's like such a fun facility. Man, this is going a lot harder than I thought. Luckily, one of the instructors is here, so he's been helping me with technique. Yeah, it just looks like definitely I need to clean up the technique to have a real shot at this, because the way I've learned it is throwing my head back, which apparently is just like completely wrong for a standing backflip. You have to actually use your knees and hips to drive into it. Let's see where we end up today. I've been going for about 20 minutes. Got another 30 minutes left in my hour booked here. Yeah, let's see where we go. Got to clean up that technique, and we'll evaluate the video later. First one, that last one felt like proper. That's cool. Thanks, man. Oh, how about here? Oh shit! Dude, thank you so much. Oh my god, thank you so much, man. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god! Second day! Yo, what is up, people? Okay, so I can't even explain like how stoked and how excited I am. Like, I don't even understand. And one of the coaches there, he was really helpful, and he like gave me some tips with technique. And I didn't think it was going well. Like, I just didn't feel comfortable. And then another one of the coaches showed me, he did a backflip like on one of the soft foam mats. And he's like, dude, you can totally do it. So I gave it a go and I made it onto the trampoline, kind of first try. And then I made it on the soft mat first try. And then I thought, you know what? Like, I've got 1 minute left in my hour session. Let's just try on the hard mat. And I went for it and I got it first try. I can't even explain how happy I am because it was just so unexpected. And I thought in my head, like, I might land on my face, or I thought I might like really hurt my toes or my knees or something. And not only did I land it, like I landed it, I feel, with like some safety space. So anyway, I am super stoked. I'm not gonna consider this 100% done. I'm gonna do another session, I think, on the beach and also on the grass. And once I do that, I'll consider this 100% done, but I feel like this is 95% done. Like, I'm already celebrating. The way I did it just now, I feel like I can do it anywhere. And yeah, I'm so pumped. All right, so we're back home. We picked up the kids from school, and I really want to do this today. I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I just think like I should finish this challenge. So it's my son Ryder, and this is my daughter Aria. Wait, hey, Aria. Do you think that I can do the backflip on the grass? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Ryder. Do you think I can do the backflip on the grass? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Is that a yes? There's two yeses? Okay. And here is the final member of the family, the #1 cheerleading person.
What impressive.
What do you think about the backflip challenge?
Nope, don't do it. Don't do it.
So we have 2 votes for yes and 1 for no. So we're gonna do it. Let's go. Okay, let me go for it. Oh, not bad, not bad. One more. Let's clean this up. Woo! Okay. High five. Alright. That's it. I did. That's like official 100%. I did it.